How to fix WhatsApp images not loading error. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp images not loading. Well, if you're using WhatsApp and your messages are not loading, then first you want to check your settings. Now make sure you have proper stable internet connection. Once you make sure of that, open up WhatsApp, head into settings. Under settings, head into storage and data, and under it you can see photos option. You want to tap on it and make sure that photos downloading is enabled for either Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular. If you're using cellular data, make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular. But make sure it is not on never, so that way if it is on never, photos won't download here automatically for you. Now also, sometimes it might just be a glitch or a bug. So in that case, what you want to do is you want to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, close it up and then restart your device and turn it back on and check if it works. It must most probably work. If it still doesn't work, you might want to reinstall your WhatsApp application. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.